Give me the most sit-up you can do. Oh, yeah. Wow, Clark is strong. I bet you guys can't do that.
No, I can't.
Look at Clark. Look at that. Come on, Superman. Come on. That's it, Superman. 4 more and you do push-ups. Good job, Clark. 1 more. Good. Okay, that's it. Do push-up now. 15 push-ups. Come on, Clark, do push-ups. Oh, yeah, okay, 5 more. Give him 5 more sit-ups. 5 more sit-ups.
Okay.
No, just 5 more sit-ups, and then you do the 20 push-ups. Go. Hold his feet. Hold his feet. No, 5 more sit-ups.
Instead of 5 more sit-ups, do 25 push-ups.
Go. Do push-ups.
I need a whole push-up.
Yeah, push-up. Go. Do a push-up quickly.
I don't want to do push-ups.
Come on, Superman.
Come on, Superman. I can't get my butt out. I dare you.
Come on, Superman. You can do it.
I can't get my butt out. A wheelbarrow race. A what race? A wheelbarrow? Where? Around the Okay. I know it is, but where are we going to race to? Okay, from here. I'll listen to the kitchen and back. Okay, go ahead.
Superman. Come on, do some push-ups, Superman.
I need your teammate. No!